if your laptop take for repair and it's not worth to repair, okay, so you can ask the computer technician, okay, remove this hard disk, so you can make it as your external drive, and also you can, okay, recall back all your data file like your image file, video file, and everything. Okay, this is a 500 GB SATA hard disk. So if you want to make it as an external drive, you need is hard disk external case like this. Okay, this is a 2.5 inch hard disk external case. Okay, this is the casing. Okay, it comes with this USB 3 okay, data cable. So what you do is you just slot in, and this is cover, you can close it. Okay, then from here, okay, you connect the cable, then okay, is USB, connect the USB port. Okay, you can see a drive. Now right away detect a D drive here. This is all your data file. You can copy and backup it. Okay, so how about if you have this? This is a SATA SSD 2.5, same thing. Okay, if you have this SATA 3 SSD drive, SSD hard drive, okay, so you want to make it as an external drive, okay, no problem. Still use back this hard disk case. Okay, now I remove this case. Okay, I remove out, and same, okay, this part you just slot in. Okay, exactly same as just now. Okay, then yeah, you will detect as an external drive. Yeah, for this SSD, my one is cannot detect anymore. So if cannot detect, means that this hard disk is totally dead and you cannot recall back all your data anymore. Okay, if the computer technician give you the hard disk is not this type and also not this type, but it look like this, is like memory chip. Okay, actually this is a M2. This is a M2 hard drive, M2 SATA hard drive. Okay, so it also got the NGFF and the NVMe. Okay, this is look like they got the signs. Okay, this is NGFF, so NGFF and the NVMe, and you are not sure which the one. Okay, you watch my next video. Watch my next video, I will show you, okay, how to make this M2 SATA as a external drive. Okay, bye bye.